Hello and welcome to my channel We Moms and Little Ones. This channel is dedicated to the mothers जो अपने बच्चों को घर पे पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करना चाहती हैं from the very scratch. So we'll start with the day one concept, that is begin small. इसमें हम बच्चों को concept introduce कराएंगे. Then we will ask them to do the worksheets and will guide them. We'll do some interesting activities that will help them and memorize the concept to them very easily. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
So today we are going to learn a new concept, Ayantika, that is big and small. Big and
Small.
yes, very good. Now the first is, what is this, Ayantika? This is a
This is a
ball.
ball.
So this is big and this is
Small.
small. This is a big ball and this is a
Small ball.
very good. Now this is an apple.
Apple.
This is a big apple and this is a
Small apple.
very good. This is a
Big apple.
yes and this is a
Small apple.
very good. Now what is this, Ayantika? This is a
Big
tree
tree.
and this is a
Small
leaf. So this is a big tree. आप बाहर देखते हो ना, बिग बिग ट्रीज होते हैं और हम जो लीव्स देखते हैं, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल. सो दिस इज व्हाट
Big.
एंड दिस इज
Small.
very good. Now what is this, Ayantika? What is this?
Hand.
हैंड. ये किसका हैंड है?
Mama.
मम्मा का. और ये किसका हैंड है?
Mera.
अच्छा, टेल मी which one is big and which one is small?
Big. Small.
Very good. You like this activity? Very good. Now you know what is big and small? क्या हम activity start करें? Okay. So the first is identify the big shapes and color. आप देखो इसमें से कौन कौन सी shapes color big हैं, उनको color करो. Take this. Out of these two, which one is big and which one is small? Make a line. This one is big. Very good. Out of these two circles, which one is big, Ayantika? This one. Very good.
इसमें गलती से कलर हो गए.
कोई बात नहीं. Let's go to the next worksheet. That is, you have to circle the big object. आपको इनमें से जो big objects है, उनको circle करना है. Okay? So ready? Now there are two glasses. Which glass is big? Very good. Circle around. Good. Now out of these two leaves, which leaf is big? Which one is big? Circle it.
ये.
Yes, circle karo. Very good. Now what is this?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. So you have to color the big one. Circle the big one. Yes. This is big. Very good. Now the next activity, it is very interesting activity. You have to circle the small objects, Ayantika. Circle the small objects. Yes. These two are stars. Which one is small? Go on. That's okay. Circle. Very good. We don't want a perfect circle. Now the next one, these are two mangoes. Which one is a small mango? Yes. Very good. What is this, Ayantika?
Fish.
Fish. Which is small fish? You have to circle the small fish. This is small fish? Yes. And what is this, Ayantika? Your favorite?
Ball.
Ball. So which one is small ball? Very good. Very good. Now let's do the next activity. Fine. In this activity, you have to match the big object with the small object. See, this is an apple with the small apple. Big star with a small star. Very good. Big ball with a small ball and big ice cream with a small ice cream. Very good. Very good. Now you have done it. Now let's do something very interesting. Okay? I have cut out the shapes. Now there are the shapes. You can see. आपको यहाँ पे big shapes लगानी है. फाइन, मैं यहाँ पे रख रही हूँ. आपको यहाँ पे बिग शेप्स लगानी है इस तरह पे, और इस साइड पे आपको लगानी है स्मॉल शेप्स. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट.
मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ
सर्कल.
very good. This is a big circle. Now put a small circle over here. Yes. Now take a big triangle. Very good, Ayantika. Now the small triangle. Good. Now square.
मैं rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. This is a small rectangle, Ayantika. Where to keep it? Yes, very good. You like this activity?
Yes, Mama.
Very good. Now, square. This is a big square or small square, Ayantika?
Big.
Big. Very good. And small square. See? Now you can see these are the big ones and these are the small ones. So, now do you know what is big and what is small?
Big.
Yes.
Small.
Very good. So, Antika, let's start this activity. We have some objects here. क्या objects हैं हमारे पास? We are having a teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Yes. Tomato, jars, spoons, and aloe vera gel. Okay. So what you have to do? आपको सारी small objects को pick करना है and you have to keep on your right hand side. There, right hand side. Pick up. Out of these two, which one is small? Pick it up and keep it there. Pick it up. इसे उठाओ and keep it there. Very good. Here. Now next, the spoon, this small spoon. Keep it there. Which one is small? This one. Very good. Now the small jar. Out of these two jars, which one is small? This one. Very good. Keep it there. Now see the small tomato. There are two tomatoes. Which one is small, Antika? This one? Yes, very good. Keep it there. Now your teddy bears. Which teddy is small? See, which one is small? This one. Very
ये वो
good.
छोटा teddy bear है.
Small. So keep it there.
नन्हा.
Very good. So now these are big objects and those are small objects. So do you like this activity? You like it? Say yes or no.
Yes.